Hey everyone, this is Arslan from Ars Dent Repair. I got the Subaru Outback with a dent on the rear door. Quite severe, right on that curve. Let me show it to you quickly what it looks like. So this is the dent that we're going to be working on. As you guys can see, it's right on this line. That was caused by a branch falling on this vehicle. If you look at it straight, it doesn't seem that big, but when you look at it on the side, you can actually see all the waves. So that's going to be quite challenging. I want to start this repair process with a glue pulling, and then I want to switch to tooling from the back side. Keep the area clean as possible without causing any push marks. Since it's cold outside, we're going to heat up this panel just a little bit, just to make sure that the paint stays flexible. Let's clean the panel from any dirt, any oils. All right, as you guys can see, it's looking much better now. I'm gonna have to do one more pull and see if I can get a little bit more. All right, looking nice. Let's go ahead and place another tap right here. As you can see, it's getting smaller. So right now it's a perfect time tapping on this crown here. For knockdown work, I decided to change the angle. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do pushings from this angle. So this is what it looks like right now. As you guys can see, it looks much better than before. We're not quite done yet, but it's on the way. We'll be there. This dent is partially covered with a door brace. There's a bracing that goes right here. Actually covers about up to this point. So I'm gonna have to use some glue pulling over on this spot here. I wanna pull this with the glue and then go from there. I'm gonna have to warm up the panel before I do glue pulling. So doing that improves the adhesion of the glue to the panel. That should be enough. Right now I'm about 95%, so this can be the most difficult part here. Somebody asked me before to show the surface of the dent repair before the wet sand buff. So the dent was right here. I want to go ahead and sand it and buff it. So let me show you quickly what I do. I use a sandpaper from Toll Cut. just gonna go ahead and do it lightly, like that. All right, let's clean the panel. Apply compound. Spread it a little bit. Now buff it. And all done. Final result, that's what it looks like. I hope you benefited from watching this video, and if you do, please hit that like and subscribe to my channel to see some more cool stuff. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next one.